Gracie, what's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Do you have something in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Grace, what's in your mouth? Did you eat a nut? Do you have a nut in your mouth? Let Mommy see. Let me see. Show Mommy. Do you have a nut in your mouth, Gracie?
No.
No? What's in your mouth? Do you have food in there? No? What do you have in your mouth?
No.
No? Nothing? Show Mommy. Show Mommy. Did you put something in your mouth? No? Let me see. Show me. There's something in there. What is it, Gracie? What did you eat? What did you eat, curly head? Yes, you've got curly hair. Show me what's in your mouth.
No.
No? What's in your mouth, Gracie? What's in your mouth? Show Mommy. Oh, see, you do have stuff in there. You do have stuff in there. What is that? Did you eat a nut? No? Did you eat a dog? You ate a dog? Is that what's in your mouth? No? What does a dog say? Hey, Gracie, I love you. I love you this much.